Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Galaxy S7 charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for keeping your device powered up and ready to go, ensuring you never miss a moment or a crucial call. In today's fast-paced world, a reliable charger isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity for productivity, entertainment, and staying connected with loved ones, making the choice of the right charger a significant decision for any Galaxy S7 owner looking for optimal performance and longevity. Number 5. Aioneus 6-foot micro USB cable 3-pack. Never worry about compatibility again. These cables work seamlessly with a vast range of devices, from your phone to your gaming console. Experience lightning-fast charging and data transfer. Get back to full power and sync your files in no time. With 3 cables in each pack, you'll have one wherever you need it, at home, in the car, or at the office. Crafted with a durable nylon braided exterior and pure copper wiring, these cables are designed for long-lasting flexibility and reliability. You'll receive 3 6-feet cables in vibrant blue, orange, and green. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 18-month warranty. What we like. If you need multiple cables for different locations, this pack is ideal. With 3 6-feet cables, you'll have plenty of reach at home, in the car, or at the office. The durable nylon braiding ensures they can withstand daily use, and the 18-month warranty offers peace of mind. What people say. The charger is compatible with the Galaxy S7 and charges it quickly. It comes with a long cable, which is convenient for reaching outlets. The design is compact and easy to carry around. Number 4. JSAUX 6.6-foot micro USB cable, 2-pack. Experience rapid charging and seamless data syncing with this cable. It supports up to 2.4A charging and 480 megabits per second data transfer speeds, making it perfect for all your needs. Crafted with an upgraded 3D aluminum connector and laser welding technology, this cable is designed for exceptional durability. The metal components are built to withstand daily use without breaking. Enjoy a tangle-free experience thanks to the premium nylon braided exterior. Its special strain relief design has been tested to withstand over 20,000 bends, ensuring long-lasting performance. At 6.6 feet long, it provides the perfect reach for charging in your bedroom, office, or car back seat. Included sticky buckles help keep it neatly organized. This versatile cable is compatible with a wide range of devices. It works perfectly with Samsung Galaxy phones, Kindles, MP3 players, and any other device featuring a micro USB connector. Get the best of both worlds with high-speed charging and data transfer in one reliable cable. It ensures your devices are powered up and synced efficiently. What we like. For those who hate tangled cords and need a bit more length, these 6.6 feet cables are a great choice. The premium nylon braiding and reinforced connectors mean they're built to last, and the included sticky buckles help keep things organized. If you value durability and a clutter-free charging experience, consider these. What people say. The charger works great and charges my phone quickly. It is a reliable charger that has lasted me a long time. The design is sleek and it is easy to carry around. Number 3. Galaxy S7 Adaptive Fast Charging Wall Charger Kit. Experience rapid and secure charging with our advanced wall charger kit. It intelligently stops when your battery is full, protecting your device and extending its lifespan. This charger is designed for a wide range of Samsung devices with micro USB ports. Please ensure your device is compatible before purchasing, as it does not work with Type-C or Tab S7 models. Get the power you need, fast. It delivers a reliable 2 amps of high power, ensuring your phone charges swiftly and efficiently. Enjoy convenient charging wherever you are. Power up from any wall outlet or conveniently use a USB port with the included micro USB cable. Experience blazing fast charging and data transfers. It turbocharges your compatible Samsung devices and syncs files at up to 480 megabits per second. This kit includes a 2-amp wall charger and a 5-feet USB-A to micro USB cable. You also get a 12-month replacement warranty and lifetime technical support for peace of mind. What we like. If you're looking for a complete charging solution straight out of the box, this kit is for you. It includes an AC adapter for wall charging and a 5-foot micro USB cable, all designed for adaptive fast charging. The built-in safeguards protect your device, making it a reliable choice for everyday power needs. What people say. The charger is compatible with Galaxy S7 and charges it quickly. It comes with a long cable, which is convenient for reaching outlets. The fast charging feature works as advertised, reducing charging time significantly. Number 2. Aluminium alloy shell micro USB cable. Experience lightning fast charging with our premium micro USB cable. It's designed to power up your devices quickly and efficiently. This cable is compatible with a wide range of Android phones and devices, ensuring you can charge almost anything. Crafted with a robust aluminum alloy shell and a braided nylon cable, it's built to last and looks great too. Not only does it charge fast, but it also supports high-speed data synchronization, keeping your files up to date. Enjoy the convenience of a 6-foot cable, providing ample reach for charging your devices comfortably. Rest assured with our product, as it comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This option offers a good balance of speed and durability. It supports fast charging up to 2.0A and features a sturdy aluminum alloy shell with a braided nylon cable for a cool look and robust build. If you want a fast and stylish cable that's built to last, this is a solid pick. What people say. The charger is fast and efficient, charging my phone in under an hour. It's a compact and lightweight charger, perfect for travel. The build quality is excellent, feels durable and well made. Number 1. Fast charging micro USB cable and charger. Experience lightning fast charging for a wide range of Android devices. This charger is designed to power up your phone quickly and efficiently. From Samsung Galaxy to Moto and LG, it's compatible with numerous Android phones and tablets. Just ensure your device uses a micro USB port. Get up to 50% charge in just 30 minutes with Quick Charge 3.0. It's up to 4 times faster than standard chargers, saving you valuable time. Built with advanced safety features, it protects against overcharging, overheating, and excessive current. Charging stops automatically when full, safeguarding your device. The nylon braided cable is built to last, resisting wear and tear. Enjoy fast charging and data syncing without the hassle of tangles. The 3-foot cable is the ideal length for convenient use, keeping your space tidy. It supports both fast charging and data transfer at speeds up to 480 megabits per second. What we like. If speed and safety are your top priorities, this charger is a strong contender. It supports Quick Charge 3.0 for rapid charging and includes a compact 3-foot cable, perfect for reducing clutter. The certified security features, including overcharge and overheat protection, ensure your device is always safe. What people say. The charger is compatible with Samsung Galaxy S7. It supports fast charging, which significantly reduces charging time. The cable is durable and long enough for convenient use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.